So for Aledo Cheer competition season, we're in a category called Game Day Cheer. So it's kind of like what we take on the sideline, but we amplify it by like 1,000. Throughout the entire routine, we're doing stunts, flags, signs, tucks, motions, megaphones. And then when we go to state, we compete against about 75 to 77 teams. It's a lot harder than people think. We're not just going against a couple teams, we're going against the entire state of Texas, even some from out of state. It takes a lot of time and effort putting into that, and we have to perfect each part.
What goes through my head when getting ready for competition is putting others before myself, because I know I'm gonna go out there and do whatever I can and leave it on the mat, but it's very important to encourage and be positive to others, and that's gonna set the tone for the whole team.
But my biggest thing is to go out there and be confident and to support everybody else who's nervous. Just tell them that they got it, because at the end of the day, we're all gonna go out there and we're all gonna do our best, and that's always gonna be enough.
So we have early practices in the mornings, we have practices on weekends, breaks in the afternoons, and I feel like that's some things people don't see, because all they see is us on sideline, us on game day. It takes a lot more hours and a lot more days than a lot of people think.
I would say the way that I've grown is really just putting others before myself, because freshman year Katie would only be focused and worried about herself. As you grow up and as you're on harder level like varsity, you definitely like mature as a person.
Freshman year, I hadn't fully grown into myself. I was still really nervous around a lot of people, hadn't come out of my shell. Cheer has made me the leader I am today and the person I am today, the friend I am today. It's taught me to persevere through hard challenges
and use them to my advantage to make me a stronger person. I've definitely learned how to balance and just to never give up on myself. When I didn't make it my freshman year, I pushed through that, and then now here I am today as a senior co-captain.
For me, what it means to be all in Aledo is something that's really significant to being an Aledo Bearcat. The pride that I feel for my community, it makes you hold yourself to a higher standard.
To give always 100% no matter what you're going through, no matter what is going on externally, you always give 100%. And I think that's what Aledo's all about, whether it's in sports or academics or showing up for your community. Everybody's always giving 100%, and that's what I think it means to be all in Aledo.